Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another. A couple days ago, I showed you guys two houses. So this is house number 3 for the vlog. I showed you guys two houses in the last vlog, and we're looking at one house today. And I decided to carry you guys again. This is an apartment style house, and it has potential. So again, I need your guys' input on this to kind of guide me on whether or not I make the right choice in terms of a purchase. So this is another big investment of myself along with my family, and you guys are a part of it now, because you guys are a family member of mine from a different family, so a family from another family. So guys, tag along with me as I say, I beg for the help, because this decision is a group thing, a family thing. So let's go. So as I said, this is not for anybody else besides from me. So I'm not showing on a house for owner purchase. So yeah, I asked her just take it easy and about running for my thing. So we'll soon go out there. So this is the entrance, guys. Let's go in. So guys, this is an apartment as I stated, and that one here nice, but I don't know. As I say, it boils down to where you guys kind of think. So this is, apparently this is the master bathroom. So this is like she said, the biggest bathroom. And that's kind of the whole house yet. So far she said it's a master, so this should be the biggest bathroom. This is the bathroom, guys. This is drywall, as I say, where them tape it. And then if I all deterioration or there was once a leak or something, but this one do over change. This look nice in comparison to the first unit. What do you guys think? And now this is the room. We got AC unit, this is the roof. This is not tile. This is I don't quite know what I call it, but it's like what do you call it again? But it's not a tile. It's not tile. So this is our bifold of a give access to our closet. Yes, sir. So this is the little. So this is like a little suite. So in suite. So this is the little porch or balcony area, which is nice. It has like a pergola effect. I don't know, but it has this thing up here. So, and a grill, nice, cool. I must say that can open as well, so you can. I don't know. This is like a party spot, really. Perfect villa in my eyes. So we're supposed to go outside, go check on if there is a tank up there. So people that live here no longer live here for a while now, so I don't know if I want to tank it up there, and it was like ephemeral, so something will happen not all the time, but it is always there. The water tank, only when it is being used, it drips or something. And now seeing that it is not used for a long time, if area look dry up, but I don't know if they just still have the water mark. So I'm gonna check it out still. So yeah, laundry area. All the underground tunnel up, they clean the whole street. And this is the kitchen. So I know I should be going in order, showing the rooms first, then probably coming to the kitchen area, but let's go door to door. Yeah, this is the kitchen. Clean, sleek. Look like Farmica. Yep. For John and Olivier. Low key. See if food in I covered on them thing there. For John, that means that somebody live here. She said nobody not live here. Yep. Yeah, this looks probably this is new because this look up to standard in terms of size. The range. Yep. You can see outside from here, so. Another little half bath. And also have everything, man. Everything. Yes, guy. And the area where you hang with the clothes around here, so. So the pantry, and it also has an entrance to the laundry area. Okay guys, so that is the kitchen. The bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 is, as I said, absolutely bigger than bedroom number 1 that she stated was the master. This is bigger, but you can see the style. It's kind of traditional. So the terrazzo, you can see it. But it is nice, and I like it. Closet is bigger than the master. Have a little step will lead down to the living dining. So this is bedroom number 2. There is the bathroom for bedroom number 2. So I have a look at water closet over here. So so that's the toilet, and then here is where you find the bath, along with they kept this design, the molding on top, which is cute. Yeah, but as I say, place would take a little upgrade. Place would take a little upgrade, don't you think? Yep. So look at makeup area, or whatever you call this. So bedroom number 3 is similar in size as number 2. So it's kind of the same thing here. So don't mind the place being dark. Just know this picture number 2 being number 3. So they're kind of the same thing. Same thing with the closet, same thing with the roof, the ceiling, all of that. So we're gonna look on the bathroom. See what is the difference. So at this side again you have the water closet, and basically the same style in terms of the bathroom. So this again, guys, don't mind the outfit. I was on site a while ago, and for the OGs are the persons who know me, I try to show another cut when we get to the, so you know I smashed that work. Anyways, this is the bathroom again. Bath, and yeah. So guys, this is the living area. Big living area. As I say, all the bifolds can open to throw a party. Nice. What you guys think? Really need to know. It is cool. If you guys want to ask, or if you guys are asking, out here is cool. The entire unit is very cool. Breeze, like too much breeze. Yeah guys, we're going on the outside now. Really need your guys' attention. So guys, we are making our way around the back of the unit or outside of the unit to have a look on the exterior of the building. So again guys, tell me what you guys think. It's really up to you guys. What you guys say, your guys' input on this unit does a lot, helps me a lot in making the final decisions, because someone who real smart and when I know about this thing, when I'm very experienced, and voice and opinions that everything come. Like I said, this is the little I'm gonna call it now porch area, veranda, and yeah, so this is basically the unit, and it's self-contained, like it's an apartment, so each one of them have like a number and things like that. I already know somebody will live over here, so yeah. Oh, and there's a rank. Guys, I don't know the name of this plant. Can you please, my horticulture friends on YouTube, can you please so we have made our way up here, so guys, the look inspection and the look at thingy what we've seen at the bathrooms, and yeah, we see evidence of moisture. Therefore, makes sense to check it down. So, who's this? So based on what I see up here, so I show evidence some remedial work they take place. So the bathroom is right here, so I don't know exactly. I think the room finished here. The bathroom is somewhere up there, so we are guessing that there was a leak and it is now fixed. That's why the tape and the mud, all of that, like prematurely deteriorate. So we'll do some more investigation and see if we can make an educated guess, because today is not the inspection day. Well guys, up here so cool. Still I reiterate, neighbors over there, so very nice. Yes sir. So guys, this is a quick little video about this unit. So don't be complaining about how I wear my mask, about why I wear my mask, or video too shaky or nothing like that. I do a vlog style thing. It's not a professional quote unquote style when I show a unit or thing like that. It's just a vlog style. So yeah, I expect too much of them professional angles and them things. So guys, I do a kind of more in-depth inspection now. So pardon this abrupt ending, and yeah, as again I'm gonna state guys, please leave your input down in the comment section. It's very helpful. In the last video I see you guys comment a couple things and I take notes, and it's really a help and I appreciate it. I never know say when I did I work with me then way there, but now I realize the team Ismash is really a strong team, and as I say, we are growing, we are get stronger over time. Sundays and Wednesdays I try to upload. I never yet wanted to say it because I never want to set up myself, so now I kind of say it. So when I work with me, I try to upload Sundays and Wednesdays, so you guys can get something to sit down and eat good on a dinner or on a breakfast or lunch and watch. So again guys, big up on yourself, Team Ismash. Subscribe if you're new, like the videos, run up the likes guys, that'll help. And yeah guys, see you in my next vlog. We're on our road, just know.